Hbar at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside after we continued to hold within our Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.2346 and the 0.163, which is that blue target area on the chart. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, give you my next breakout target areas, and above all, give you the Fibonacci key areas of supports that you need to continue holding within. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made below the 0.125, I have been observing an additive structure right here on the charts in blue, where you can see that we first picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high above the 0.299. Then we saw a slight pullback over here in what I have been terming as the formation of that second wave, and the minimum target areas for the second wave were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of the wave 1, and the area of interest was between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.78 as a maximum, and that was between the 0.2337 and the 0.16315, which is that blue target area on the charts. And you can see that we saw a slight pullback over here onto the Fib level 0.382 that gave us a bit of a reaction over here in what I have been terming as the initial attempt of Hbar starting a very impulsive bounce in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave, assuming that that is the low for that second wave. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to as your next target area lies on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.51, an area that we can easily hit in the next coming hours or maybe days. Expect a pullback in the formation of that wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. We also need to be very cautious over here because you can see that we have not yet managed to get a substantial break above the highs we made in the formation of that first wave above the 0.29977, and since we don't have that substantial break above that significant high, there's a very high chance that whatever we have over here was just a move to grab some liquidity up here before we can continue pushing lower in the formation of that second wave. So that means that in case in the next coming hours we continue seeing further weakness in the market, and maybe at some point we also lose support above the 0.25324, flipping that key area back into resistance, then we should expect one more new low within this blue target area before we can get a reversal and then start another impulse to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So that is the roadmap that I expect Hbar to follow for the next coming hours, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.